Hi there, Patrick Rourke with MarineMax Clearwater. Today we're going to take a quick look at a 2026 Cruisers Yacht 38 VTR. This is a really new boat for this segment, and I think this one checks a lot of boxes people are looking for. We're going to be powered with twin Mercury 300 V8 Verados, and then right on the back deck, first thing I actually notice is this awesome tow bar here. It's nice if you wanted to get the water sports, do the, get the tube out, do some water skiing with the kids. And then as we enter into the cockpit here, you're going to have entrance on both port and starboard side. Really nice seat here. And then right over on the starboard side is going to be a nice electric Kenyan grill. Now this cockpit can be used a lot of different ways. We can put some additional bean bags here. We can use more seating. We can put our wakeboard toys here, anything we want. Forward right here in this section though, you do have a refrigerator and also an ice maker built in, which is a really neat feature. You don't really see an ice maker on a 38-foot boat. Port side, we have the fold down terrace here. It's real nice to be able to get on and off the boat easy if you're on a lift, or if you're getting in and out of the water, it's just a little bit easier with dive gear to get in and out of the water. Another thing that you're going to notice is a massive hardtop. This hardtop covers the entire cockpit of seating here. You have 4 forward-facing seats here, right on this table, and then you have 3 additional seats at the helm. Now these seats do have bolsters, but they also flip backwards, so you have a nice feeling of a dinette, 6, 7, 8 people hanging out here, enjoying your sandwiches and your cocktails for the day. At the helm, we have some new Simrad screens here. Really clean look. We do have our joystick docking as well, which is also going to have your autopilot and your skyhook feature, which is a really neat option. Beautiful windshield. One massive piece there. Really great look. And what I kind of liked is the overhang is actually outward facing, so you have a lot less glare coming right at the captain. As we walk up front, you're going to notice we have some high gunnels here. So it's going to be, it jumps up to just under the waist. Forward, you're going to have a nice seating area here. You can sit 6, 7 people here. Yeti cooler hidden down. Your windlass action, windlass controls forward. And then also we have a nice light bar going across the entire top of the hardtop. Let's jump downstairs and see what the overnight accommodations are. So downstairs in the cabin of the 38 VTR, we do have sleeping accommodations for 2 people, or you can convert this into a nice dinette lounger. Another refrigerator, so that's the second refrigerator on board. Great access to all your controls, everything that you need to use on the distribution panel. And then a very nice wet head to be able to get the salt off of you or extend the weekend if you wanted to a little bit more. Once again, Patrick Rourke at MarineMax Clearwater. Come on down and check out the brand new Cruisers Yacht 38 VTR, and let's get you out on the water.